Howdy, my foundation artists. So lovely to see you. Are you ready to create some art? Great, because today you're going to practice how to create a city skyline. All you need is some paper and either a texter or a pencil. So you're going to create a group or a bunch of buildings going right across your page. So you're going to have your page in landscape, not portrait, but landscape. Let's have a look at some different types of cityscapes from around the world. Now, I want you to notice the shapes of the buildings. Some tall, some short, some wide. We've got lots of rectangular shapes, but other angles in different sorts of buildings, making sort of a triangular shape in some, especially for steeples for churches. You'll see lots of triangular shapes. You can see some bridges. This one's a silhouette, which means it's just like a shadow of a cityscape. It's from Florence in Italy. Can you see the dome shape, the curvy shape? Here's some more buildings from the city, and you can see that some are behind each other. I wonder if you know where this one's taken from. Notice the different types of buildings. You guessed it, it was from Paris with the Eiffel Tower. Some different types of shapes in Paris. And this one's taken from Moscow in Russia. And you can see some more dome shapes in this, but can you see buildings behind buildings behind buildings? Do you recognise the Sydney Opera House in this photograph of a city skyline? And here's a big Sydney Harbour Bridge in front of lots of buildings. And I wonder if you can guess this last one, where it's taken from. But what I really want you to notice is that buildings are behind buildings. So I want you to get started with a piece of paper and mark 4 fingers up from the bottom on both sides, just a little mark, and just draw a line. And then I want you to start drawing some shapes. Start from the very edge. So I'm just drawing a rectangular shape down to that line. I'm going to attach the next building next to that. Wonder where my next building is going to go. Oh, I'm starting from the first building. I'm going behind it. Can you notice that that one's behind it? Where's this building going to go? It's a bit taller, that one. Let's see this next one. Oh, I'm doing a very low building there. And notice how I attached that building to the back of that low building. So it looks like it's behind. Now, have a look at this tall building. Now, left a gap. I want you to want to show you how you can fill that gap by just drawing a line. It looks like there's a building behind. And there's another one. And there's another one. And I'm finished off. Now I'm going to add some more buildings behind, or some levels onto some buildings. I'm going to make them build up, up, up. I might do some cathedral type shapes. Notice how I'm adding. Oh, that's a dome shape or a curvy shape on top of that building. A triangular shape. And just keep on adding different features on your buildings to make them look unique. That one looks a bit like a castle. I'm going to add a little flag on top of that building. Some buildings have flags flying. And after you've finished your buildings, then you can start to add features such as windows and doors. So I added an aerial on that building there. So just keep on adding your windows and patterns onto your buildings now and just have a bit of fun